and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making garlic naan bread. So for our ingredients, we have warm water, sugar, active dry yeast, warm milk. We have plain Greek yogurt, vegetable oil, garlic cloves mince. We have plain flour, and we have baking powder and salt. And for the topping of your garlic butter, we have butter, garlic, and you could either use cilantro or parsley. Now the first thing we're going to do, we are going to combine together. You got your warm water. I added my sugar and I mix it up before I add my dry yeast. And we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, we're going to move on to mixing up our flour. So here we're adding our baking powder, our salt. And we're just going to mix that up really well. And here I'm adding my Greek yogurt. We're going to add minced garlic. And then we're going to add our vegetable oil. Now we're going to pour in our warm milk. Now I'm adding my yeast mixture. And I'm just going to mix everything up by hand. You want to mix your dough until it comes together. Next, we're going to turn our dough out onto a lightly floured surface using flour hands to knead the dough until smooth. And this takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, it's a perfectly round ball of dough. Next, you want to add your dough into a lightly greased bowl. You want to let it rest at room temperature for about an hour until it doubles in size. Now it has doubled in size. We're going to punch it down. Here we're ready to cook our naan bread. We're going to divide our dough into 10 equal pieces. We're going to roll our dough into balls. This garlic naan bread is so soft and perfect for mopping up some curry. As you can see a few videos back, I made some butter chicken, and baby, let me tell you, this garlic naan bread was on point, honey. It was so delicious. And then we're going to use a rolling pin, and we're going to roll out each piece of our dough into a large oval or a circle about 6 inches long and about 1/8 of an inch thick. You want to repeat with your remaining dough. You want to heat up a large cast iron skillet or regular skillet on medium-high heat. You want to grease the skillet all over with a 1/2 teaspoon of extra oil. You want to place 1 piece of your naan bread on the oil hot skillet and cook until bubbles start to form on top. That takes anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. While cooking, you could brush the top with a little oil, and you want to flip and cook on the other side anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes until a large golden spot appears on the top. You want to remove from the skillet and wrap it in a clean kitchen towel. You want to repeat this with the remaining naan bread. You want to keep your naan bread warm by wrapping it up in a towel while working. For your garlic butter topping, you want to melt your butter and your minced garlic together in a bowl, and we're going to brush each naan bread with garlic butter on the top with fresh herbs of your choice. So today we made garlic naan bread. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.